At first glance, this small rodent-like creature may seem rather unassuming, certainly a far cry from the big five, but nothing can be further from the truth. It's a Rock Hyrax, and it can be found quite commonly on some of South Africa's mountain ranges. And while it may be one of the smallest, it's astoundingly the closest living relative of one of the largest, the African elephant. It's millions of years of divergent evolution that have made the two virtually unrecognizable as relatives, apart from a few physiological resemblances, like tusk-like incisors, which it uses to forage. It's something Guy Palmer, a leading scientist from Cape Nature, has identified as a raft of similarities between the two.
They've got a very interesting digestive system, and that's where the relationship with elephants, and not only elephants in fact, but with dugongs and manatees as well. They've got a very interesting digestive system that they can break down fairly coarse plant material. If you look at the soles of the feet of a Dassie, it's not like an elephant's foot at all, but it also has a very specialized foot which is designed for climbing on the rocks.
Apart from their prehistoric homogeneous links with the elephants, Hyraxes are also good communicators with complex syntax skills, similar to those found in primates and whales. Being small animals means they are vulnerable to attacks from other predators, and so a heavy reliance on their communication is placed for the safety of the colony.
For these animals to be able to survive in a group, it's very important for them, as it is with any other social animals, to be able to communicate with each other, particularly when there's danger in the area. So they have a series of calls, you know, pretty high-pitched sort of whistles that they give off, which are then alarm calls, and those are usually given by sort of sentries, very often males, that will be sitting on fairly prominent rocks, spending a lot of time scanning the area for danger, while the rest of the colony is out sort of feeding.
For now, they will continue to attract their fair share of curious onlookers, all drawn by their unusual but fascinating behavior. They may not have the daunting presence of a large elephant herd, but the ancestral roots to prove it. While millions of years of evolution has made the physical resemblance between a Rock Hyrax and an elephant hard to believe, it's certainly become a lot easier, because one can view an actual Hyrax colony with just a short trip to the top of Table Mountain. Travers Andrews, CCTV, Cape Town.